Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12X, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings application. From here we're gonna scroll down to additional settings and scroll down, and you will find factory reset in the blue text at the bottom as a last option, and in here you want to select erase all data. It gives us an option right here to bypass back up the device. So if you have some kind of data on your phone that you would like to keep, you can do that right now, but assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to, you can just select factory reset, give it 10 seconds right here before we can go to the next page because we need to read the message. Factory reset will erase all data on your device, including photos, songs, notes, and basically everything. Then we can go to the next page and gives us another attention message. Make sure all the important items are backed up on your computer. Basically, again, just more of everything will be erased. So make sure you have a copy of it. Once you confirm that by tapping on OK, the process will begin, and this will take probably about like a minute to 2 minutes to finish up. And once it has, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.